Right now, somewhere in America, two people are driving the exact same route to work. Same city, same zip code, same age, same clean driving record, same credit score. One of them is paying $2,700 a year for car insurance. The other one is paying $1,900. That's an $800 gap every single year for people who are statistically identical on paper. The only real difference between them? The car sitting in their driveway. Here's what most people don't realize when they're car shopping. Insurance companies aren't guessing when they set your premium. They're running the math on exactly how likely your specific make and model is to get stolen, how expensive it is to fix after a fender bender, how many claims people driving that exact car have filed in the last 5 years, and even what kind of driver statistically buys it. And some cars are quietly, consistently cheap across every single one of those categories, year after year. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real vehicles that insurance companies genuinely love with actual 2026 pricing data, not guesswork, so you can stop overpaying for the privilege of just owning a car. Stick around for number 1 because it's the single most insurance-friendly vehicle in the entire country right now, and the reason why might surprise you. Starting things off is a car most people don't even think about when they picture cheap to insure, the Volkswagen Taos. This compact SUV runs about $163 a month for full coverage on average, but drivers who actually shop around are finding rates as low as $107 a month with the right carrier. That's nearly $700 a year in savings just from picking the right insurer. Why is a German-badged SUV this cheap to protect? It comes down to what insurers actually care about, which has nothing to do with badge prestige. The Taos isn't fast, it isn't flashy, and car thieves simply don't want it. It's not on anyone's most stolen list. It also comes loaded with standard safety tech like forward collision warning and automatic braking, which triggers automatic discounts with most major carriers before you even ask for one. Insurance companies aren't rating you on how the car looks in your driveway on Instagram. They're rating you on how boring it is to a repair shop and a claims adjuster. And the Taos is refreshingly, profitably boring. Showing up on basically every single cheapest to insure list this year, not once, but multiple times across different models, and the Forester is a big reason why the brand keeps dominating. Drivers are paying around $166 a month on average, with some insurers offering rates as low as $126 a month for drivers with a clean record. Here's the actual mechanism behind the Forester's low premiums, and it's worth understanding because it applies to every car on this list. Standard all-wheel drive paired with consistently strong crash test scores. When insurers look at that combination, they see a car that's statistically less likely to be in an accident in the first place, and when it is, the accident tends to be less severe. Less severe accidents mean smaller payouts. Add in the fact that the typical Forester buyer skews towards outdoorsy, safety-conscious families rather than aggressive city drivers, and you've got a formula insurance companies reward every single month, without exception. Number 3 might genuinely surprise you, the Buick Envista. This compact SUV ties for one of the lowest average premiums in the entire country at roughly $161 a month, and drivers who actually shop around have found rates closer to $124 a month, saving well over $400 a year compared to the national average. The Envista pulls this off with a small, low-displacement engine and a front-wheel drive layout that keeps both manufacturing and repair costs down from day one. Lower repair costs directly translate into lower claims payouts for the insurer, and lower claims payouts get passed straight through to your monthly bill. It's proof that cheap to insure doesn't mean you're stuck driving something you're embarrassed to park next to your friend's car. The Envista looks genuinely modern and upscale. It just happens to be quietly cheap to protect underneath that styling. Coming in at number 2, another Subaru, the Outback. This one hasn't just shown up on cheapest to insure lists this year. It's been a fixture on them for years running, averaging about $163 a month, with the lowest available rates dropping as low as $107 a month depending on your carrier and state. The Outback checks literally every box insurers care about: standard all-wheel drive, excellent crash test results across the board, low theft rates, and, this part matters more than most people realize, a buyer demographic that skews heavily towards careful, responsible drivers. Insurance companies aren't pricing the metal in the engine, they're pricing the type of person who statistically buys that car. Outback owners file fewer claims on average, full stop, and that data shows up directly in your premium, whether you've ever filed a claim yourself or not. And the #1 cheapest car in insuring in America right now? The Honda CR-V. Full coverage averages just $161 a month, or right around $1,932 a year. That's roughly 30% below the national average, which means depending on where you live and who you're insured with, choosing a CR-V over a comparable sedan or SUV could be saving you well over $1,000 a year without changing one single thing about how you actually drive. Why does the CR-V dominate this list year after year across nearly every insurance study out there? It checks every single box insurers use to calculate risk simultaneously. It carries top safety ratings from the IIHS. It comes loaded with standard driver assist tech like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, which qualifies for stacked safety discounts with almost every major carrier. Parts are everywhere, and mechanics know this car inside and out, so repairs are fast, predictable, and cheap. And with millions of CR-Vs on American roads, insurers have over a decade of hard claims data proving exactly how low risk this car actually is. When an insurance company has that level of certainty about a car, they don't need to pad your premium to protect themselves from the unknown, and that certainty gets passed straight to you every single month for as long as you own it. Here's the bigger picture you need to walk away with. The gap between the cheapest car to insure in America and the most expensive isn't a couple $100. It can run over $4,000 a year for the exact same driver. That's not a rounding error. That's a car payment sitting on top of your existing car payment. And it's a number no dealership will ever bring up while you're signing paperwork because it has absolutely nothing to do with the sticker price they're trying to close on. Before you buy your next car, do the one thing the dealer will never suggest. Get an actual insurance quote before you sign anything, not after. Same coverage, same driver, completely different vehicle, and you could be pocketing over $1,000 a year without changing one single thing about how you actually drive. If this just saved you from an insurance headache down the road, hit subscribe, because next up, I'm covering the 5 cars on the opposite end of this list, the ones insurance companies charge you a premium just to look at.